Hey everyone, sitting here as usual. Um, I had to think of the date. It's Friday. Friday? What time is it? Well, if it's midnight, then it's Saturday, naturally. Because we're all adults here and we know what day it is. I'm not tired because I took a nap and I'm watching Locked Up. I'm watching Locked Up Grand Rapids Extended Stay. I don't know why I'm watching it, honestly, because the show honestly gets me in like this weird, gross mood. Like, I think about how could, let's put that arm down. Let's pretend we shaved our armpits today. How could anyone well, I can see how other people could, but I can't imagine doing anything so severe that I would be in prison. Like, I can't even imagine putting myself in a situation where that could even physically be possible. It's so weird to me. I mean, everyone grows up in their own situations, and I guess, I mean, some fight with the struggle, but I can't imagine ever being in a scenario where I would be in a prison system. And if I was, I bet you're all thinking I'm about to say I would be a badass and blah, 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 but man, I would not be. I would not be. I'm sure my resting bitch face might scare a few people, but once I opened my mouth or said something stupid, I'd probably get my ass kicked. Naturally. Maybe I could use my baking and my culinary background to buy my way into people's hearts. That would probably be my thing. That would probably be my thing. They're just beating the shit out of each other right now. Like, if all these people ganged up on me and started beating the shit out of me, I couldn't even physically fight back. So scary. I look like a mutant. Let's cover that up. It's weird. Here, let's try to do. Here we go. Let's try to do like a cute. Ooh, beach waves. This is a naturally dried hairdo. I just got out of the shower a little bit ago. Here, put that headband in there. Look at that. It's like I'm on a beach. Let's pretend I am. Let's pretend I'm on a beach in Miami, where they have this weird. I'm making myself sicker and sicker as I'm playing with this hairdo. Yucky. Very yucky. Boom, he grabbed it and it went off 2 times. 1, 2, hit him in his chest. By that time, I wasn't thinking. I feel like it's not. I shouldn't have done what I did, but I did. And he was done when I shot him 2 times. But when he went down, I stood over him and shot him 6 times in the face. Oh, isn't that nice? He shot him 2 times. And I'm not proud of it in any way. And thought to himself right after that, I shouldn't have did that, and then did it 6 more times. Way to go, buddy. Way to go.
can't imagine. Like, that's so weird to me. It's very strange. I'm sure you guys are wondering in all these videos what the fuck is up with my eyebrows, but I don't really have a story behind them. I just have succumbed to this routine of shaving the hair underneath them, and if I nick a little too much, I mean, there's really no going back from nicking a little too much. What am I gonna do? Replant it in my face? No. So then when I finally get ready, I can just draw them on normal, but whatever. And this food in here, I would have to figure out some kind of way to make it good. I couldn't do prison, everyone. I really could not.
I feel really bad for what I did. Not for what I did, but for who I did it to. I took kids Christmas presents. That's what I did. And I'm not very proud of myself for what I did. At all.
She took kids' Christmas presents. And she's smiling. She's smiling in this paused image on TV. She goes, I'm not really proud what I did. I took kids' Christmas presents.
Well, they left and I was still there. And I don't know, I just started
And she doesn't feel bad.
Yes. And I found the receipts.
She doesn't.
Well, where's the presents?
She's smiling.
So I started looking
People are sick.
And I found Justin Bieber.
I mean,
and some baby toys, and I gathered them up and put them in a bag. Had the receipts in my pocket.
Some are sicker than others, but
Back up to Toys R Us. How much $72.
$72 worth of gifts. You stole those gifts that are worth $72.
I was like 5. I don't know how to keep my hands on stuff that's not mine. What about it?
Just laughing.
You could almost get caught, or if you do get caught, then you get to see if you can run and get away.
I like to see if I could run and get away.
And I just do it for the thrill.
Why?
Like I can go into a store and I can have money to buy anything
Like,
I want. I
what?
can just take
It gives you a rush? Like, fucking
I
give to some kind of homeless people. Gives you like this rush of, this good rush. Kind of like sunshine. I sat outside with my mom, social distancing, while she landscaped, and I drank coffee, and I could tell she was getting mad that I wasn't helping, but I volunteered to drink coffee and social distance myself. I couldn't do the landscaping with her. It's not 6 feet apart. So, naturally, I couldn't. But anyways, it was sunny out the other day, and I did that, and I love the sun, man. It's such a mood booster. Such a mood booster. This guy looks like a mutant. I don't like packaged lunch meat. Doesn't packaged lunch meat, like, remind you of slimy fake meat? I hate it. It's so weird.
Because the way we'll get through this is by remembering to care for each other and never forgetting the power of dreams. I came up here.
This movie was good. The Call of the Wild. We seen it in the theaters. And it was really good. It was really good. I loved it. Cam even complained about it for a minute. And then got super into it. Taco Bell. It's already gross. So you're gonna order Taco Bell from a delivery service, and by the time it reaches you, it's gonna be 20 times more disgusting than what it was but when it left the restaurant.
New episodes Tuesdays at 9 on National Geographic. You're watching Lock Up Fridays.
Lock Up Fridays. Shane actually fell asleep at a normal time. Unfortunately, it's on my love seat, but
25-year veteran of the Kent County Sheriff's Department.
he's been getting more and more on schedule, which is a good thing. And the kids have been better with their homework, jumping right on it. So that's good. My new classes start in a few days here. I don't know what it is about being home and in this situation where my forehead looks like it's like, give me a break here. Here, we gotta do something. We gotta put this headband on or something. We gotta do something here.
Deputy Gus Sudu says he's bought into that philosophy.
Hi, Faye.
I use my personal life
Yucky.
experience.
Yuckiness. I don't know what it is about being in this routine and like, I'm sitting here and I just cannot focus. I cannot focus on my schoolwork. I honestly have to just like take the time and start as soon as I wake up. Like start, plug the laptop in, laptop, whatever, and just do it. Just gun it, because if I don't, I won't.
Assigned to the county's juvenile facility when Leversey first came in as a young teen.
I've been going to juvenile for a long time with Gus. He used to work there. And obviously from Africa, he got a strong accent, so we'd all...
I mean, some of these people are
always in good humor.
just a victim of circumstance. Like, in the way of, they're not innocent, but like, they have had probably such a shitty life and put in such a fucked up scenarios that they really had no choice. They had a choice, but I mean, in some ways they didn't.
Recently sentenced to 3 years for breaking and entering, and is awaiting transfer to prison for the 3rd time.
Getting closer and closer to my face. Look at how dry I am. You can't even see it. Look at it. I look like a cherry.
I personally think that there's a chance for anybody.
I can't wait for sun and tan.
Livingston is working towards that, but he need to make a drastic change.
And so on and so forth. I just love summer. I hope all this clears up by then. I hope everyone's good. I hope everything's good. I hope I can do fun things with the kids, swim, not look like a corpse.
I was a deputy sheriff here in Kent County for about 5 years. I worked in training, I worked as a corrections officer, and I was a search and rescue diver, and I was just getting into working as a crisis
A search and rescue diver.
When I left,
Served in the Marine Corps, has 3 adult children and a 2-year-old. Okay, what did he do? Stephen Sutherland.
old hands around here that know me, and some of the
What did you do?
ones know who I am, and it's embarrassing.
Well, then why are you there? And it's embarrassing.
I did work during the time that he was employed. I think there was maybe 20 to 30 deputies get hired at the same time. And
I think he was a correction officer at this jail.
In that group, it's really unfortunate to see a coworker on the other side.
In the 20 years that have passed since he's worked here, Sutherland has had numerous criminal convictions.
Yucky.
And has served time in prison.
Numerous.
Now he faces especially serious charges.
Like
Possession
what?
of child pornography and criminal sexual conduct of a minor. In this
Fucking
case,
kidding me?
a young boy.
Fucking pig.
I'm pleading not guilty.
Child pornography. Scumbag bitch.
Reasons for that.
He's laughing. He's laughing.
This
Mm-hmm.
isn't the first
Have
time
fun in there.
Sutherland has been charged with a sex crime against a minor.
Fucking scumbag.
I had a misdemeanor
charge.
I can't even help my mouth when I see this kind of shit.
Or inappropriate touching.
I can't even, you know what? We're turning as my rabbit's humping my foot. Like, get the fuck off of me.
I never seen anything that he'd be capable of. And he
I
charges
can't
me
watch it. I
being
don't want to watch
charged
it
right now,
anymore.
so
I can't.
it's pretty
This
shocking.
kind of thing just makes me sick.
Deputy Purdue, also knew
Let's
something.
watch
Dealing with a deputy,
Twilight now.
professional, someone we work with every day.
Ooh, the first Spider-Man.
I was a very proactive deputy, but I was also
I don't want to
very
start it
sincere
in
deputy.
like the middle of it.
If I told an inmate I was going to do something, I'd do it. I was
Tammy is a good
fairly
movie.
strict but fair. I tried to show
My Lottery Dream Home, but I've watched so many of the episodes, I've probably seen it.
Using about half the water. Water designs our life. Who designs for water?
I never dwell in the moment. Be like I'm just constantly focused on the next thing.
I gotta go for a walk. I gotta start going for walks. We're gonna go for walks. You guys can come too, matter of fact. Me and the kids are gonna go for walks. I'm gonna have to drag him out of his room. Shane will willingly go. But we gotta get out of this damn house. We gotta do things.
The ups and downs of frequent mood swings can plunge you into deep depressive lows. Take you to uncontrollable
Alright, I
highs.
think I'm gonna go.
Or make you feel both at once. Overwhelmed
But,
by bipolar 1 symptoms? Ask about Vraylar.
I might post a
Some
video
medications
tomorrow.
only treat the lows or the
I got some of my
highs.
Amazon
Actively
stuff.
treats depression, acute manic, and
So,
mixed episodes of bipolar 1. Full spectrum relief
This
of
wasn't
all
really a
symptoms
fun
with
video,
just one
but
pill once a day. Elderly patients with
whatever.
dementia-related psychosis have an increased risk
All right.
of death or stroke.
Bye.
Call your doctor